Are you tired of having a bloated Windows 11 with applications you don't use? Then this video is for you. The issues faced using Windows 11. Windows 11 is a bloated operating system with many apps Microsoft adds that you never use. You are forced to use Microsoft's cloud storage with OneDrive installed. You have no control over what updates or patches Microsoft installs in your Windows 11. Xbox Plus is installed on your Windows without your consent. In this video, we are going to show you how to debloat your Windows 11 and have a modicum of control over your Windows. The instructions to this video can be found in our blog. Please have a look down below for the link. Enough said, let's get our hands dirty. If you have a look at this section in our instructions, you will see how to install Winhance. So we open our browser on this link and you click the download button. And now we open our downloads folder, and there's the file. You will double click to install it. And when you use this tool, you will run it as administrator. Let's open this full size. We would like to delete OneNote, as this is an application we never use. So you click on there, and then over here, remove selected items, click here. Yes. And while I'm waiting for that to remove, cheers. Now it's told me that it's been removed. You can see that it's gone red. Now in your case, you will choose which applications you want to remove and you'll tick them off and then remove them. Now, I removed Cortana, I removed Copilot, I removed OneNote as you just saw now, and of course OneDrive. As you can see, I've deleted quite a few of the Microsoft applications that would have been hogging my memory. So this is part of this button here. If we go to the Optimize button, now here you can do a lot of changes. You can make all kinds of changes to the operating system. I would advise you not to touch this if you don't know what you're doing. However, this is also the place where you can control the Microsoft updates. And then if you click the advanced settings, you'll see that you are able to create a XML file. Now, I'll explain to you what that's for. If you have bought your Windows, in other words, you have a purchased license and it didn't come with your laptop or computer, that means that you own the license. In that case, you can create a virtual machine. You could run that in Proxmox and you would be able to use your license on that machine. You probably want this in dark mode. So let's go to settings and change this to dark mode. Personally, I prefer light mode. So I'm going to take it back, but that's where you would do that. Now here's something interesting as well. You can make backups by exporting this, and then you can import your backups to do restores. So you have the capability to do a backup and a restore here. And if you go to more, if you have an issue with your Winhance, this is the place where you can report a bug. Also, here is where you can check for updates. However, if you freshly installed this, then you have the latest version. And here's the version. From here, I can see that this version is only 4 days old. And now let's go back to our instructions. Click this link to join the developer's YouTube channel. I did that earlier today and it cost me about $1 so that you can keep up to date with this application. I would give the man a bells. However, over the internet you can't do that. So click here go to his GitHub page and click here to give him a star. As you can see, this was a very easy app to install and use, and it was very powerful. I was able to solve problems that were quite difficult to do. So I definitely recommend you give the man a bells, and I definitely recommend that you join his YouTube channel to keep up to date with changes. We trust you found this useful. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, as we haven't met our target yet. And with that we say, thank you, dude. Cheers.